Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. In this video I have something very exciting to show you. So this morning I was watering the sweet potato plant. As you know, I have this sweet potato plant growing in a fabric container, as you can see, right? And I was watering it this morning, and I from afar I saw some red looking thing, and I'm saying, okay, this looks like the potato, they're starting to get bigger. And I went closer and I saw that I actually see signs of potato growing. So let me show you. Just getting a little bit closer. Right, look at that. Right, there they are. Right, and as you can see over here, right, these are potatoes developing. I am actually happy to see that, and they are just going to get bigger as time progresses, right? And I'm sure there are many more underneath the soil, because this is only coming from, as you can see, this is just coming from one main vine, right? And I told you initially that I planted four vines in this pot. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add some more soil into this pot to kind of cover the potato. Apart from leaving the potato for the required time that it needs to develop, you can also go in with your hands, right, and you can scratch away the soil and really feel the potato if it has developed. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cover. I'm just going to just add another layer of maybe a 1-inch layer of growing medium into this pot, because I'm going to be adding some more fertilizer to it, and I don't want the fertilizer to be directly the raw fertilizer to be directly touching the tubers, because I don't want them to burn the attachments right here. I don't want to burn the fertilizer to burn the potato. So I'm going to just add the layer and then add some fertilizer into that layer, right? So yeah, this is what it looks like, and it is growing well. As you know, I'm trellising it onto the cage, right? And this is what it looks like so far. Unfortunately, again, there's another tropical storm coming. I think they say it's coming tomorrow morning, so I'll have to move this pot again to really protect this plant from the tropical storm. Let us take a look at the other stems. So let us just move away. Oh wow, here's another one. This one is coming from this main stem right here. I hope you can see that. What I have here is I have some growing medium in this pot, right? I'm just going to take some with my hand and put in the pot, right? And another thing with potato is that it is a good cover crop, right? Because the leaves are broad and it basically sends out a lot of stems, and it covers the pot itself, right? Even though I'm trellising a lot of them onto the cage, right, I'm still allowing a few of them to cover the sides of the pot, because what this is doing is it is blocking a lot of the radiation from the sun from hitting the pot itself, and also aiding in additional cooling of the root zone, right? And then now the leaves themselves, because the leaves are broad, they are actually covering the soil, the growing medium. So inside here is actually cooler, right, because the leaves are covering the area, right? You have less penetration of radiation, solar radiation. So as I said, the sweet potato plant, it is a good cover crop to help to keep your your soil temperature cooler, and that is better for root growth and development. So let us continue to add in some more growing medium. Alright, let me go around this side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some water in my watering can, right? And I'm going to wash off the leaves, because what happens is that we have a lot of microbes living in the growing medium, bacteria and fungi, right? That you can actually introduce onto your plants. So because the leaf surface, some of them are covered with soil, as you can see right here. This can also introduce fungus or bacteria onto the leaves. So I'm going to just wash them off with some water, right? And then now later on, when the time is cooler, I mix a fungicide solution and just put the fungicide in the container with the water and just like do a foliar cover of the leaves, just to further protect it from any fungus or bacteria that I may have introduced by putting in the soil into the growing medium, into the pot. Sorry. So, and the fungicide that I'm using, it's actually a copper-based fungicide, so it actually will help to take care of bacterial infection and fungal infection as well. So yes guys, that is the update. I just wanted to show you the potato. And remember, in one of the videos I told you that once you start seeing the vine flowering, that is signs that it is in generative mode and it is producing, and I was correct. So as you can see, we still have a lot of flowers, right? Plenty of them. Please remember to leave any comments in the comments area. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in another video.